my darling Fumi Nation, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I said I was going to be back with the Academy Awards Red Carpet Fashion Police, by whom none other, your girl Fumi. Yes. How are all of you all guys doing? Do we love the beat? Yes, I do. Treasure Island by Solic Beauty, the best glitter palette that you will ever have. Use my discount code FUMI to get yours. I use this gorgeous chocolate brown here. Mwah, it is everything. So what can I tell you? Welcome to Fumi's Red Carpet Fashion Police, the Academy Awards 2022. Without a beat, let me start with whom none other, Jada Pinkett Smith, who wore Jean-Paul Gaultier and looked absolutely fantastic in that green. I loved the ruching, I loved the fit of it, I loved the long train, and I thought she looked absolutely regal, beautiful from head to toe. Repeat after me, head to toe, because she has a beautifully shaped head. Might I add that I think this is the first time I'm seeing her looking this fabulous, flawless. I'm even looking at the heels too in a minute. Sometimes I see and I'm like, not too sure. This time, she was absolutely flawless. I loved the earrings again, that kind of beautiful fan earrings to really elongate the neck, separate the head from the dress so that you can see everything. I love the emerald green. Emerald green is one of my favorite colors. Love her in this. Beautiful. Then we jump right over to Halle Bailey in Roberta Cavalli. I love the dress. It reminded me of Miami. It reminded me of an after party. This did not give me Red Carpet Academy Award vibes. It didn't. Gorgeous. Everything was gorgeous. But darling, this is not love and hip hop Hollywood. You can wear this to the after parties, whichever one you choose to go to, because there are many of them. But I did not think it was Academy Award red carpet worthy. That was just me. Venus Williams in Ellis. I loved the dress. I love the light bulb shape of the dress. I just thought it was too spaced out. Yeah, I think that I would have loved it if it was cinched in a little bit more. She's a tall, beautiful girl. Beautiful figure. I loved the hair, loved the color, loved the piping, but the piping looked kind of twisted, kind of misplaced. And I think what it was for me, it was too wide. Had she been more flat chested, it would have worked. But because she has this gorgeous ample bosom, I wanted to really compliment her, but I don't want it to be that exposed. And that's what I felt in this. The cuffs that she wore, gorgeous. Dare I say, it was giving me 1960s vibes. That's what it was giving me. I loved it. I just wish that it wasn't that wide for the light bulb shape that she had down her chest. Other than that, girlfriend looked golden, skin, healthy, yummy, lived for it. We have Junice Zabravo. Junice was wearing thumb brown. I want to see her invitation. I want to see her invitation because I want to see what she read. Did it say that we were going to church and she got it confused with the Academy Awards? Because this outfit ain't it. The tights, the boxy bag, the what is that? Does she have on there? I think she has a vest. Then there's a skirt with the jacket, with the hair. She gave me serious great auntie vibes. I didn't even like the hair. I didn't like it. I did nothing. Church. And then low heels, definitely church. Because you know you can be in church for 4 hours, then they start to serve food. You know, I'm an African, Nigerian to be specific. When you go to church, you're there all day. Yeah, they're serving snacks by 12 noon. This was the outfit. You can take off the jacket when you're hot. When it gets cooler, around 4 p.m. when you go home, you can put the jacket on. I didn't get it at all. Do you know who I loved? And he was the only guy that really drew my attention was Chris Rock. And I think I mentioned it in my last episode. I loved the tuxedo jacket. Guys, please find out for me, put down in the comments who he was wearing. I googled him and every single thing that came up was all about the drama between himself and Will Smith. Nobody, I googled and I googled and I googled and I tried to search. Nobody, I even went to his page and I wrote, who dressed Chris Rock? What did Chris Rock wear at the Academy Awards? Nothing came up. Everything was about him and Will Smith. But I loved him here, and I tell you right now, for me, he was the best dressed man there. I live for this tuxedo jacket. Let me know, is it Tom Ford? I do not know. Or Brani? I don't know. Let me know, sis. Okay, or guys. Alrighty, Nikki Hilton. Nikki Hilton was wearing Jenny Peckham. It was beautiful, baby powder pink, and it was very much like a gown that you could just wrap around. It had feathers on the sleeves and it had bejeweled applique all over the dress. I think that this is one of the most beautiful dresses I have seen her. And you know what I love about this? Once she's had the baby, she can adjust the keyhole and cinch this in at the waist, and you know it's going to be one bam outfit. It's going to be fabulous. Lived for it. Demi Singleton in custom Miu Miu looked absolutely divine. The embellishments on the bust, all across the dress, and then heavily laden at the bottom. It was giving me a very updated 1960s vibe that I absolutely loved. It gave me that blush purple. It was a pastel. Absolutely gorgeous, just simple, her hair pulled back, very simple makeup. This is so age appropriate too, because it wasn't that figure hugging at the waist, and it really covered her bust line beautifully. I loved this. We have my beautiful Tracy Ellis Ross, who wore red. Red was a very, very popular color on the red carpet, and Tracy Ellis Ross is wearing Carolina Herrera. I love the shade of the dress. I love the dress from the bust line down. The bust was an issue for me because it just wasn't placed right, because there should have been boning in the cup to lift the bust up so that you could see the entire shape of the dress, and it would have really complemented Ellis, because not everybody's bust is perky. You lose weight, you gain weight, you have babies, all of that. So the bust is not that perky, and her bust is small. It didn't complement her the way that it should have. Having said that, her makeup was beautiful. Very simple, very gorgeous, and everything focused on that gorgeous, beautiful red lip. Jewelry fine, minimal, just the necklace. She looks good here. I love it. I do love it. It was just the bust. The bust just didn't sit right. It should have had a little bit more boning. Lupita Nyong'o in Prada. I loved the hair. I liked the dress. It was a little bit too Christmas tree-ish that was set on fire by mistake. It gave me a little too much, and I think because the gold was a bit bright, it just wasn't giving me the whole I love this dress. It wasn't giving me that. Was it nice? Yes, it was. But right away, it gave me serious Christmas tree vibes where I had to squint my eyes because it was just a little too bright, just a little too much, you know. Hair gorgeous, makeup flawless, simple and gorgeous. We had Zendaya, my darling. Zendaya was in custom Valentino. Zendaya can wear anything. She's got that beautiful, very slim figure. She's tall. I loved this. I loved it. I thought it was very pixie. The shirt blouse was very unique. Again, for those of you from the 90s, you would know that Sharon Stone had worn, I think, a shirt, and she just wore like a long skirt. I think this is in homage to that. That's what it reminds me of. But it is super updated. I love this skirt. I have a skirt, something like this in blush pink that I live for, and it is elegant. It is so beautiful, and I can see a lot of younger girls that will wear this, and they'll wear this with trousers, beautiful tapered trousers. They'll wear this with shorts. They'll wear this with a knee-length skirt and a jacket on top. Zendaya is young. She's very untrained right now. She's hip. She can do no wrong. She can wear literally anything and it will suit her. I liked this on her. It absolutely complemented her figure. Serena Williams in Gucci, loved it, hated the gloves. The gloves had to go. Did I even like the hair per se? I'd have loved a ponytail. You know how I love a little snatch. I would have even loved something like this. Just scrape it right back and let the dress speak for itself. I did not care for the gloves. I loved the flower applique over it. I loved that shade of pink. Let me see the makeup. Yes, it works for me. Let me see the brows. But the dress was fabulous. Lived for it. Then we had Zoe Kravitz. Beautiful Zoe Kravitz in Saint Laurent. Beautiful. Feminine, delicate, blush pink, rouged up to the shoulder. Simplicity is always the way to go when you're in doubt. You just wear that statement dress, very simple, very structured, and I will say it over and over again because we are back now with fashion, and I've missed doing my fashion reviews and my fashion police. It's never about the size, not about the height. It's about how you have your underpinnings and how well made the dress is for you. When you have big do's like this, you can afford it, you know somebody, go ahead and go custom. Go ahead and go custom because it will complement you every step of the way. And Miss Kravitz right up in here did fabulous. Megan Thee Stallion. Honey, Megan Thee Stallion has a reality show coming out. Did I love the blue? Of course I love the blue. Did I like the dress? Yes. I just wish. No, you know what, Fumi? Wait. Let me see. I was gonna say that I would have preferred if the thigh was not as gaping, that perhaps she brought it down 2 inches, perhaps about 3 above the knee. Just meet me halfway. Would I have loved it? Yes. Why? Because you can still see her hand stamped right there at the slit. It's too high. Bring it down a bit. When you are comfortable, you're confident. It's the CCs. They come right beside each other. When you are comfortable, you are confident. This just needed to drop a notch, but it was beautiful. I loved to see her like so. I loved the shoes. I loved everything about it. The hair, the makeup, gorgeous. It was just the slit. It could have just come down a notch and should have been good to go. We had Chloe Bailey wearing custom LDVF. The slit again was too high. Love the purple, that deep, gorgeous purple. Beautiful. Love her body. Hated the heels. I loved this dress. The dress looked as if it had been caught as she was coming out of the car by the door, and it ripped right up. That's what it looks like. I had to look close. I said, wait. What is this? What happened here? It looks like it was ripped, torn. No, not at the Academy Awards. The Academy Awards, we're gonna go a little itty bitty more demure. It's there, honey. I just might show you later. What after party are you going to? That is what I want you to give me. Ladies, you don't have to show skin to be sexy. Trust me when I tell you, you do not. The makeup, beautiful. Hair, gorgeous. Chandelier earrings, gorgeous. Everything was gorgeous, apart from the slit, and I did not like the sandals. They were just too bulky. She could have just gone really, really sleek, sexy. It would have worked. And the last but not least was Beyonce in custom Valentino. Very Hollywood, very glam. I loved the dress. I loved the gloves. I loved the cape. I loved the silhouette, the earrings. It worked for me. It worked for her. I thought it was gorgeous. Again, Beyonce knows how to bring it. I loved the hair. She just looked like the Golden Girl. I thought it was a look and a half, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. My best dress of the whole shebang was Mila Kunis in Zuhia Murad. It was the classic Hollywood dress. It was the classic Hollywood glamour. It gave me Marilyn Monroe. It gave me 1950s high glam. Everything about this dress was fire. I can even see J-Lo grabbing this dress or saying, who has the dress? She might have gone because she and Zuhair, they're friends. She would have said, ooh, I want that dress. Zuhair would have said, you know what, Mila Kunis got it first. You're like, argh, because this is glamour. This is timeless. This is classic. You can take the train off and wear it again next year, dye it black. It's going to be fabulous. You can take it again the following year and remove the sash coming down it and bleach it pure white. This will always give you fabulosity. You can take away the belt and put a diamante studded belt there. You can take the belt off and just have it in screaming Russian red. When I tell you this dress is timeless, always go for the timeless pieces because it's worth the money. It's worth it across the board. And Mila understood what? Mila understood the assignment. And that, my darling, is my red carpet fashion police for the Academy Awards in 2022. As we already know, this particular Oscars was full of drama, and there was drama on the red carpet too. So guys, do not forget to tell me who your favorites were. Let me know who you think I forgot, because these are the ones that caught my eye. But perhaps I missed somebody, or there was somebody that you thought, Fumi, what do you think about this outfit? And we'll go through it, because you know what? We are back with fashion. I have missed reviewing fashion. And you know, after having 2 years of COVID, of lockdown, let's get up out there and wear our outfits to the best. And again, like I told you, if you're comfortable in that outfit, you will be what? You'll be confident in that outfit. Thank you very much for watching, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and look out for first time ever Fumi's Fashion Police, the Vanity Fair party. Yeah, after parties, baby. Yeah. I'll see you soon, my darlings. Do we laugh? Do we live? I forgot to mention this is by Zara. Yes. What do you think? It's a little bit. Wait, hold on. What do you think, my darlings? Did I get it right? I'll see you soon, darlings. Lots of love. Mwah, mwah. Bye.